Kinatuwaan nga ng mga fans ng SB19 ng 18 ang nasabing sagot ni Josh Cullen sa kanyang naging live kung kailan ang homecoming. Narito po ang sagot ni Josh. Basta mag-ipon na kayo. Kaya naman narito din ang sagot ng mga fans. Hala, malapit na ba, boss? Ready na ang LSB ko para mamaya. Say naman ng ilan, paano kami makakaipon, boss? Nag-restock si Wansi, which is good thing para maka-order ako ng wala pa. Tapos maglalabas pa si Pinuno ng merch ng Aloy. Di ko pa nga kumpleto merch ni Ken 7 Sins. Yung hoodie mo nga, di ko pa na-check out. Ngayon, sabihin mo kung paano, boss. Sabog, asin na lang ba kami o sabaw ng toyo? Yung merch dapat merchases ang tawag sa daming merch. There, may Bebu at Baby Buja, utang na loob, wag muna kayong maglalabas ng merch nyo, please lang, mauubusan na kami sa dami. Sabaw asin, hahaha, sana makuha natin ng merch bago ang homecoming para masaya. Biro naman ng isa pang fans, dear mga inaanak ko, wala munang pamasko si Ninang, let me attend homecoming in peace muna, first time ko to. Magandang idea to, say naman ng isa pa. Well, narito pa ang cute na mensahe ng 18 sa sinabi ni Josh. Ako na nag-ask nito, sabi ng isa. Wow, ako ang nag-ask nito. Hahaha, 3 to 5 times ko ata inulit. Hahaha, caps lock para mabasa niya. Alam na caps, sabi ng isa. Yes, hahaha. At ibinahagi nga ng 18 from Dipolog to Cebu ang kanila nga pong paglapag sa Cebu mula sa Dipolog para sa hashtag Aurora Festival 2025. Siguradong mag-aabang na naman sila ng napakatagal dyan dahil siguradong SB19 ang huling lalabas. And for sure, magtsatsaga sila kahit naabutin pa yan ng umaga. But anyway, sa ibang balita naman, samantala, binahagi naman ng 18 Cebu ang nasabing pag-arrive ng SB19 noong November 21 sa nasabing lugar. Samantala, narito naman ang open letter or isa nga pong story ng 18 titos and titas in Cebu. Story time, hope in a ticket. Ja has always carried one quiet wish in her heart to see SB19 perform live. So when it was confirmed that the Aurora Festival in Cebu would bring the boys home to us, her happiness was almost impossible to contain. It was one of those moments where you feel the universe finally saying, para ako, nani. But then, Bagyong Tino arrived and everything changed in a single night. Their house was swallowed by flood water, clothes, appliances, memories gone in an instant. The little dream she held on to slip farther away. The money she hoped to save for a ticket was now needed for food, clothes, and the simple dignity of starting again. The excitement that one made her smile slowly turned into a quiet ache. She tried to be strong. She told herself she could wait for another chance. But deep down, it hurt to let go of something that once made her feel alive. Then today, just when she had fully surrendered and dreamed, something extraordinary happened. A fellow 18 Rika stepped into her story with so much love and generosity. She gifted Ja an SVIP ticket, not just a place at a concert, but a reminder that even in the middle of loss, light still finds you. What was once a fading hope suddenly bloomed again. Rika, thank you. You didn't just bless her with a ticket, you gave her a moment to breathe again, a reason to look forward, a reminder that kindness is louder than any form. And to the 18 community, this is who we are. We lift each other up, we carry each other through, and in moments like this, we become each other's miracle. Daghang salamat. At syempre, ang pasasalamat sa Panginoon sa pag-iingat sa kanyang buhay. Iyon ang pinakamahalaga sa lahat. Yan ang ating showbiz snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.